introduce.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. Kindly considering subscribing, liking and sharing this video. So today my vlog is going to be we are in the nature trail. We're going to be seeing animals and all those type of things. So like, share and subscribe to this channel. Butterfly Pavilion, guys. Located in, don't climb branches.
Maraba angekuja kutoa songs zake huko.
Huku si ndio? So guys,
Marabaram.
I'm tired. Look at how the true and nature is.
So the problem with vlogging and whatever, who don't like this?
What? Who doesn't like this?
People don't like nature.
You don't like nature walk?
Hmm?
People don't like nature walk.
Not so many people just me.
Ndio nataka kuniambia huko kunanga any animals.
Kunazo.
Kuna butterfly.
Na kuna
Pale mbele. That is it.
What is this place called?
Called butterfly pavilion.
Butterfly pavilion. Butterfly. Hey, butterfly. So guys, tunaendelea. Tuko hapa. You know guys, if you okay, I'm already scared. Nisije nikapatana na lion hapo mbele. Say hi. Hi. Oh my god, guys. There'll be more of vlogging, more of my life, and more of everything.
It's okay.
Hi guys, I'm here, girl. It's your girl, Michelle. Subscribe to my TikTok, actually. Follow my TikTok. It's your girl, Michelle 0. My YouTube channel is Michelle Helen. My Instagram is Michelle Helen 100, guys.
That's beautiful.
This is the pond.
Ah.
But now I see cuckoo. Do you see it? Did you see the cuckoo moving its head? You see? It's ouch.
It's a type of parrot, not a
Surely.
basi tumesharudi. Hii pond niliona tukiwa pale juu.
So guys, can you imagine this tree over here? Oh yeah, I thought it was planted. But yeah, look, it's planted, you see?
Not planted, it's natural.
Yeah, it's natural. So my people, don't we are almost getting out of this nature trail. It's been like 2 hours to me and done. Is it true? Yeah, cross. You love them.
We want them.
You want them. So guys, we are going to have some spots and all that. So just like this video, follow it.